Alright, HVAC people. Just about daybreak, 6:30. Gonna go install this unit. So I'm picking my trail up. Let's see what we can make it do what it do. This unit here that I'm replacing, I had made a video when I was in that rain. Changing that darn fan motor out. But the unit is still cooling, but it was an older unit, so she said she just want to upgrade it. I've been supposed to install it about 2 weeks ago, but I've been so busy. And since she was cooling, I'm just gonna plan it accordingly. Gotta feed my dog. I don't know what time I'm gonna get home. Make sure I feed him in the morning. Ain't that right? Gotta make sure I feed you in the morning. What's that? Sit, sit, sit. Hold up. Sit. No. Wait. Gotta feed you in the morning. I know you hungry, ain't you? Come here. Sit. Okay, eat. See your boy. See your boy. We see ya. All right, pretty much got this unit pumped down and everything unhooked. Like I say, there was nothing wrong with this unit. I think I'm gonna keep it. She just wanted to upgrade. It's a big coil on here, but I think I'll keep it and probably resell it as a used unit. It's R22. Just in case somebody just need it 5 times. Just in case somebody need it for emergency and they can't finance or pay for another one right off. So I'll probably just throw that bad boy in the backyard. That sucker heavy. That's another reason I got that trail also, because at the supply house I can get them to load the new units on the truck. But when I disconnect the units at the house, I can't lift those units up by myself. So now I got the trail, I can just get a dolly and roll it on the ramp. But like I said, got this one disconnected. Got them disconnected, so I'm gonna get the dolly, roll it on out. So the condenser unit, about 36 inches wide. So first I tried to remove this door on the gate, and I still only got 32 inches. So I ended up having to remove the whole thing, because it was, so the gate was right here, and the door was only like 28 inches wide. So I ended up removing the whole thing. So now, just gonna get my dolly, roll this one off, put the new one on. Got a flat tire, need to take it to the tire shop. And this one's still good. Put some air in this one, some nitrogen. Oh, I see the nail right there. So take my little nitrogen bottle though. Don't take much. That's good. There you go. wasn't that light. Now I just gotta go. It's a lot of little small bricks in between there. Hopefully I don't get caught up on that. That one right there. I don't want to slam it down. All right, get my drill. I can take this wood off. Might roll it down there with it on though. All right, I got the new one set. Already look a lot better back here. Wish I can get out the house a little more, but it'll be all right. Because actually this one right here, that's about 12 inches maybe. Yeah, so I already got the line set flush. So all I do is weld it in. And pull a vacuum, wire it up. And while I pull a vacuum, try to see if I can get that fence back up. She said she'll have somebody to come and do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it. All right. All right, I got a screen knife. I want to see if I can go right in there. Might put it right in there. Right in the way. I can do away with that. Should have went on and bent this too, but I can put that right there. All right, got it fired up. Been running maybe 2 minutes. Oh, you can see the pressure 132, 356. 24 degrees sub cool, 9 degrees superheat. I'm gonna let it run about 30 minutes before I do anything to it. Put a new disconnect on here. The other one was down low, kind of hiding a little bit. But everything looked good. There's a new installation on the suction line. Okay, so I'm gonna let that run. Check the amps on the compressor. Check the incoming line voltage. Record superheat subcooling, and then I'm just gonna send it to the customer. I know they don't know what none of that means, but I have it on record for what all we did. I always like my sign in front of the unit. I know some people put them on the outside, so I guess you can see it, but I always like them on the front. Yep. All right, that's a wrap, HVAC people. Like I say, I'm gonna monitor for a while. I need to, it's 10:30. I need to run to the supply house before they close at 12. Get some material for my next job. All right.